Hey there everybody, today I'm gonna show you something magic in DaVinci Resolve 17, which is copying the look of your favorite movie in one click. Sounds amazing, isn't it? So we are here in DaVinci Resolve. I've uploaded a few files, raw videos with me, one, because it's an indoor environment, and a few shots in nature. By the way, I gotta mention those shots are from pixels. Also, I have a few screenshots, so it's 1, 2, 3 screenshots. First, I'm gonna go to the color page. I'm gonna click on the video I want to look on. Go to the image you want to steal it from. And this is Mari Hapoya, I believe it is. Sorry if I messed up your name. Great content, you should watch him. He's awesome. But we're gonna copy his cinematic style, as you see in this video. I'm gonna copy to mine. I'm gonna click to my raw shots, right click on his screenshot, and we have the shot match to this clip option, and boom. It's not really what I wanted from it, but I'm gonna modify a bit. I'm gonna raise up these shadows a bit, and also the gain. That's why I'm saying that you need to have the proper lighting and to be as close as possible with the colors and contrast, because it won't be 100% accurate, but it does its job. As you see, we got a new look. Now I'm gonna select those two nodes, make the screen bigger. So this is me. Now I'm gonna disable the nodes, and I think we're closer to getting a look. Now what I would want is actually sharpen a little bit. Let's go to the blur and reduce the radius to 0.47. It makes a bit of difference. We don't want to over sharpen the image. This is the blur, this is without it, 0.17, and this is a big no-no. So 0.47 is enough. Now I'm gonna make another node. I'm gonna raise up the contrast a little bit, and the gamma, sort of like this. And this is it. Looks like a really cool look. Control F. This is with all the effects disabled, the entire look, and with it on. I think it's pretty close. It looks nice. We can grab a still and activate the image wipe. Close, right? Yeah, this is closer to what we want. As you see on the scope, it is pretty similar. The red is high up as well on mine. Now let's try this on a different image or video. Let's go for this one and copy from this image of this. Right click, shot match to this clip, and look at it. Let's see the difference. Control F. All right, this is looking way better than expected. Maybe I would reduce the gain a little bit. Let's see what scopes are saying. Parade. Yep, it's a bit high. Something like this. Yep, a bit better. But it's quite an interesting look. I really liked it. Also, we can apply on those iguanas, this iguana. I'm gonna try to apply the same lot. Shot match to this clip. Boom. Control F. Deselect. Disable. Enable. Disable. Enable. Disable. Enable. Yeah, this is great. It's looking great. I won't make... Actually, I need to lift up the lift. To lift up the lift. Oh my god. To increase the lift a little bit and reduce the gain. Let's see this one. I want to try maybe this one with the screenshot from right here. Click on the image you want to look on. Right click on the image you want to take the looks from. Shot match to this clip. Yeah, as you see, this is not working very well because we don't have that reddish color on the green. It's not actually, see, this should be green. Now it's orange, red on this image. So let's try to copy. Let's reset those. Copy from this image. Shot match this clip. Control F. Control D to deselect, to disable. Yeah, it looks okay. It's a decent job. Let's try with this one as well. Ooh. See, Control F, disable, enabled. You can see a lot more details. And the highlights are a bit warmer. You might see it right here. Yep, it looks better. And that's about it. This is what you can do with a single click if you have the right shots and the right screenshots to take the looks from. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, smash that like button and follow me for more tips and tricks to improve your videos.